What's up, guys? What's going on? Friday, last trading day of the week. 2 minutes to the open. And I've been trading. I've taken some nice trades. I caught a couple real quick shorts here. 10 points, 15 points on NQ. Same thing with the long, 10, 15 points. Sold a little early. Pre-market's kind of sketchy, but that's why I was not holding for a bigger move necessarily. I thought 15 points pre-market was pretty crazy. I had an ES trade. I've been I wish I had these recorded for you guys, but I don't. I'm up a decent amount already. 735 on the day. This might just be, that just might be my day. I think we'll get a shot at one good trade sometime after the open. I'm not sure what, but I'm totally alright just not even taking that much risk today. And I know that doesn't make for the best video, but that's not what this is about. This is about my trading. So we'll see what I can throw together here in 1 minute. So I think the levels are the same. There's a long setup all the way down here. Let me turn that off. I actually don't like that. There's a long setup back down at this hourly here. Can you see that? Yeah, there's another long down at this hourly. I think I'll wait for that one. There's sort of a long here on NQ, but that's a 5-minute setup. There's an hourly short setup. The reversal is really down here. And then if you want the best entry, it's like at the hourly. So maybe down here at the 87 area. I'd scalp it long. Even then, that's kind of sketch. But that's the best one. That's the best trade. The best risk reward. Hold on a sec. I gotta make sure I don't show anything crazy here. Audio notifications. Just gotta turn all that back on. So there's the first long right there. 212. 15, 212. I gotta check. I definitely have to check SPX. See how it's getting bought up? We're only up, 5 points right now, but other traders are acknowledging that that could be a spot that it gets bought up. As it bounces, more people flood in, but we're under the 5-minute 9. There's a short setup right here, making lower highs. We've made a lower low. Not a big fan. Where is SPX? Why is it not opened yet? Okay, yes it has. SPX is not a long until we go much lower, actually. Let me show you here. Let me drag it over and see what I'm looking for. I'm not going to jump into anything. No rush. No rush at all. So the lowest setup that could work, as I call it the black magic setup, is all the way down here. The lowest 5-minute long. So if this one doesn't work, where's my order at here? Why do I not have an order?
Order cancelled.
Okay, I had an order on something. Let's check this one out here. 10-point stop.
Order working.
Oh, I don't have the show order lines. There we go. Right. So if this setup doesn't work, and this is actually quite the short setup here if we don't just blast through it, then the long is all the way down here at 89. So I'm going to try it here with a 10-point stop. We might get it. And maybe just a 10-point trade, nothing too crazy. And then if we get this long down here, which will probably be at the hourly setup, the good long on NQ, then I'll take that one. Oh yeah, there it is. See? Getting bought up off of 11. We've ripped 30 points into the short setup. Short setup here. There's a short setup here. SPX is coming into a short. This is not a bad short. I just... It's not the best. It's not the right time. It's not an hourly. I'm going to just take my hands off. I would have gotten filled there at 40. It's a decent setup. It's just sketchy. See here, decent short. I would have covered down here into 20 for sure. Well, that would have been all right, but it's all right. It's all good. One minute left in this candle. Really good short setup. I just walked you through that short setup. Didn't take it. Should have taken it. I was about to click it. My intuition was like, or whatever it is. I don't know if you want to call it intuition. Trading instinct. I was saying, hey, that's a good setup. Right to the hourly short. Perfect hourly short. On ES. There's no rush here for me. Now all those shorts starting to panic, cover a little bit. People are getting in long. Another short setup. That's a short right there. Boom, short at 25. I'm not taking that. If I didn't take it up here and cover, I'm not taking it again. You just gotta wait. I'm not getting impatient. I'm not getting anything. I'm already up pretty big on the day. I'm risking $200 if this fills. There is an hourly long at that same level. Oh, that's why it ripped from there. Yeah, that's true. I guess I should have seen that, but I didn't. So it's trying to hold, and if that first entry, those people that didn't sell up here, they get flushed, I'll probably get that good entry here, and I'll be able to have a tighter risk than them. Risking the low of the day, pretty much. SPX is really doing nothing. Setting up for a... Like, we hit the short. Are we going to break open print and make a new low? Are we going to hold 50% of this candle? Are we going to hold open print? I don't know. Looks like I'm going to get filled either way, though. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hours are long. Dang, that's a good long, too. Looks like my trade's coming up. Almost. Almost got it. Dang, bro. How close were we? 2.5 points, it looks like. See, like, I'm not getting triggered. I'm not going to just jump into this. Maybe a beginner trader or early me would do that. I'm not doing that. I'd be selling at this 20 points though. Damn, look at that. It's alright. I'm okay. I'm okay with it. It's all good. $30 already off of that. These setups don't mess around, man. There, I walked you guys through live like 60, 70, 80 points already. Dang, that was so close.
Order cancelled.
I have no idea what's going to happen. What I think could happen is we bounce up into this area, flush out all the early shorts. That'd be a pretty disgusting win. The entry is now, the setup right here is now right here. 15,202.
Order working.
Ten seconds left. Let's see if we get this one. Push down right into it. Come on, come on, come on. Into the 5-minute 9. Let me guess, all the way up to 60 without me. I'm going to be a little bit sad if that happens. This is an hourly short, though. So there should be enough resistance here to push us down into this setup. ES. Just chilling out. Getting sold into that short setup. Totally as planned. I'm looking for a really nice, just rip, like breakout candle. 50 points. Let's see if I get filled on this here. A little bit more. It's got to be more. Oh, it's gonna do this to me. It's gonna just bounce 2 points above my order. It's gonna do that all morning, isn't it? If it does, that's all right, man. Like I said, I'm just not. I'm not gonna break my rules. I've been trading so well all morning. I'm not gonna look at the P&L again. It doesn't matter. Was I supposed to just buy that? Knowing that I'm gonna get shafted for 2 points? This is a distribution setup to head lower, ultimately, but I'm willing to take this trade. It's good risk. It's a good risk reward. 15 points to make like 40. It's trying so hard. It can't break out yet. Maybe it needs to wait for the 15. Fifteen's a short and a long. There's a lot of stuff going on in this chart. You need a good entry. You need a good price. If I had gotten this and held on to it, definitely be selling up into here. Maybe you would have rebought it. I almost got it, bro. Maybe it'll take off without me. I don't know. SPX looks like it's not going up yet. That's such a bad looking chart. But the setup's there on NQ. So, yeah, whatever. You can tell it's not breaking down yet. 30 seconds left in this candle. All of this is just noise. There's no setup. There's nothing. There's a short all the way up here. Don't really like that either. And there's a long down here. I do like that one. And it's on an hourly reversal long setup. I just think that we could stop some people out first. Okay, 50-minute candle opened. What's it going to do? Breakout on the 5. We're above the 5-minute 9. No setup on SPX, nothing. This is how trading is, man. You gotta you gotta wait. Gotta be a sniper. I wish I was maybe a little more talkative or there was more action. There's just I didn't get filled on those trades twice. I'm definitely not chasing them. $73, $74 is the short. It's 30 points away. There's nothing yet. Now I'm just chilling, just waiting, just reading. I should be providing more value, shouldn't I? But I'm not. This would be such a good entry if I could just frickin' get it.
Order working.
Okay, if you want to give me the short first, I'm down for that. That is a really good short. SPX coming into the short. Oh man. It's just not a lot of action right now. I say that, and then there's been multiple 40-point trades, so there's really, it's not that there's no action. It just feels like there's no action. I've already taken my trades, my risk. Volume's going to die out soon enough. If I don't get a trade on soon, then that'll be it. Now we've been sitting here, me and you, for 20 minutes, just hanging out, doing nothing. Not even trading. So what do I see here, right? I guess I should probably try to say something. I've been explaining it this whole time, but there's no... The tape's not going crazy. There's decent range-bound moves, like I said. The lows, 87 to 47. That's 60 points. If you got that short, 47, back down to 87, 89. Another 50 points, 60 points. If you caught that long, 40, 50 points. That's pretty good. On one contract, that's $1,000. That's pretty freaking good. We've broken out of this range high that we put in at the open, right here. And now it's getting sold into. So I wouldn't be holding for bigger moves today. Maybe hold a piece. But if you've got one contract, if you've got one position, one target, just sell it. That's what I was doing earlier. But before the range expanded. Before it really got crazy. Okay, 5-minute candle just opened. We closed above the short setup on SPX.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Ah. Okay, so there's a long now right here. I don't know, bro. Do I? Not really. Didn't even get it. It takes off 10 points. Don't short this. I know that much. Well, don't short it here, I mean. Do I short it up here? We're going to have to see how time lines up. I need things to be kind of perfect for that. $81 short on the 30. 81 short on the 60. 73 short on the 5. Is it really gonna just... Where's open print though? 22. Is it gonna go to 22? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not going to just short this level. I need a reversal setup on that level, and then I'll take it. But now we're talking like 10-10. I might take a trade finally. So I'll bet there's no one sticking around now. Why don't you say what's up in the comments if you're still hanging out 25 minutes into no trades at all? You're the real OGs. 60 contracts here, pushing this thing up. Are they just trying to get short, though? I don't know. 50 conch, 49. Those all got filled. I saw 47. Probably be better if I filtered out the one contract trades. Nah. So here it is. Here's the short. But like, there's no setup. It's just a good price. I don't want to give back $300 because then I'll be pissed. Well, there it is. There's the setup. Take it on MNQ. Could do that. 4 contracts?
Order working. Order filled.
80? Like a $56 stop?
Order working.
Fuck yeah, let's do that, boys. Look at that, I should have taken the NQ. Okay, never mind, it's coming back up. And if we close above this, like 61, that's another long setup.
Order working.
I've got 1 contract increments now I want to get out.
Order working. Order filled. Order working. Order filled.
And there you go. 3 contracts out. I'm gonna not click that button.
Order cancelled.
I'm gonna put in a profit stop for $1 whole dollar.
Order working.
$1 profit. Wow. Wow. And I'll hold this thing to the frickin'. I'll make $2,000 on 1 MNQ. I don't care, bro. Cool. Cool, a little $50 trade there. You see my hesitation? We closed above the long setup. We dipped into it like a point, and now we're starting to take off. There's no reversal setup. There's just a good price. See, and then stopped out.
Stop filled.
Could just be retesting it, but we could just shoot through, so... I don't know, dude. We still have 5 more points, 7 more points to hit 22 on SPX. Now there's a reversal setup. Now there is a reversal setup. We might open the hour up there. ES is doing nothing as well. What's the math on this? If I do 2 contracts, oh boy, $20 per 10 points per micro. $20 per 10 points. If my stop's 10, is a 10-point stop reasonable? Yes. Do I want to risk pretty much what I just made, 60, so I can take 3 contracts? I'm okay with that. That sounds like some good risk management to me, boys. How about you? I don't have a risk profile set up on this MNQ. MNQ, I've been told, is a wise man once told me it's like breast milk. You gotta be careful because it's safe, but it's kind of you gotta be kicked out of the nest at some point, and be catapulted into life, because behind fear and behind risk, there is reward. You're not going to stay on breast milk your whole life, okay? Because with comfort, I wish I had another quote at the top of my head. With comfort comes complacency, and complacency kills growth. There. See, now I sound really smart. Perfect. Okay, so what was I doing? Stop. How many ticks is 40? Point. Right? There's 4 ticks and a point on NQ? Yeah. Okay. Great. Great. I love me some breast milk. Let's get 4 contracts of breast milk. 10-point stop. No. 3 contracts of breast milk. $60. Yes. My risk actually could even be tighter than that. It could be 5 points. We'll do 7 point. Stop loss. Oh man, I don't know this math. 20 is 5. It's like 30, but it's like 28. 26? Yeah, that's right. 30 seconds for breast milk. Let's go. But then how much am I actually risking? $50? I don't know. It's a rough estimate, and I know that I'm not risking that much, so that's fine. 15 seconds for breast milk. Let's go. We can't close above this. This candle right here. Or there's no breast milk setup. 56, 57, 58, 59.
Order working. Order filled.
Okay. Reversal setup. Let's go. Let's get filled. Immediately die. Yes, we look really smart now. Look at that. Look at that trade.
Order working.
Get me one out. One out. Can you do that?
Order filled.
Disgusting.
Order working.
Disgusting, bro. I don't even care if the last 2 get stopped out. That was
Order cancelled.
great. Great trade. Great setup. Great execution. All of it. What are we at now? Look at that. I fully expect this to get stopped out now that I've been a complete twat. So, the hourly opened. The hourly is a short, but the hourly short level is at 82. There was just a reversal setup at a good risk reward at a prior short setup. That's why I took it there. Took smaller size. I already explained all of that. ES has no setup here either. This is a short, but we've closed above it. So I wouldn't be surprised if these last 2... Where are they? These last 2 breast milks get stopped out. I'm going to try to take these down to 33. I'm going to have one get out here at 38. 38. And you can see I'll be up 140 on that. Just 2 contracts. That one that I took off, I made, what, $30? Nothing. So that's the risk. That's the reward.
Order working.
Glad I got a couple trades here for you guys. I need to put in these stops properly.
Order cancelled.
80. I want to lose. We'll profit stop it.
Order rejected.
Oh no.
Order working.
Right. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice weekend. See you later.